Hey guys, Ascend Artco here with some more Twistin tips. Now let's go over what you do with your extra pipe cleaner bits you don't think you need. Don't ever throw them away, there's always something you can do. Let's brace up this circle with what we've got left. I'll tie this off here, make sure it's connected good. And we know we're going to need a brace no matter how we do the fill. Trim that off. Twist that together right here. Now with this extra, we can do this. I already know this is how much it's going to be. I'll trim off right here. I will go straight up and down and do a nice cross brace here. Here's another one right over. That's a single brace. Now let's make the cross. I leave this one just a little longer so that I can go around the middle. Here we go. We're gonna go do a little piece right here. Remember, keep your pressure in mind when you're doing this. You don't have to tie it on as tightly as possible. There you go. Now go across and connect. And now you have not wasted any of your pipe cleaner, and you have made your cross brace and you're ready to fill. There you go.